A very good evening, dear all. Welcome to report writing session. So let's see what we are going to learn in report writing today. So dear children, let us see what will be your learning objectives today. So dear, you are going to understand the process involved in writing long composition, that is report writing. You will learn about the different types of reports, the value points and the presentation styles of a particular report, the marking scheme as per CBSE, and you will be able to write different reports by attempting the questions given. Dear children, you see the screenshots here. So this is screenshot is of CBSE syllabus 2020-21. So we see class 11th. So in class 11th, you see very long answer question and composition in the form of article, speech and report, narrative, debate writing, contemporary issues, topical issues to be a part of speech and debate writing. Okay, so this is an example of debate and speech. This is a screenshot, that's why it's all here. So you see report is also here. So report is of 8 marks for class 11th. Report is also in the syllabus of class 12th. You see here, two compositions based on visual and verbal inputs may be descriptive or argumentative in nature, such as an article, a debate, a speech, or a report. So report is here. So the word limit is 150 to 200 words, and the marks are 10 because two compositions are there, 10 into 2, 20. So this is the only difference in class 11th and 12th. In class 11th, the report writing is of 10 marks. Sorry, class 11th report writing is of 8 marks, whereas in class 12th, the same report writing is for 10 marks. So 11th, 8 marks, 12th, 10 marks. So I have written the marking scheme of class 12th. Dear class 11th student, the marking scheme is also going to be the same for you. Okay. So what is going to be your marking scheme? The same. The criteria is going to remain the same. The only difference will be in the marks because for class 11th it is 8 marks, for class 12th it is 10 marks. So see, format. Class 12 students, your format, we will further explain what the format will comprise of. So the format will be of 1 marks, content will be for 4 marks, expression 5 marks, which is further divided into two parts, grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, which is 2.5 marks, and coherence and relevance of ideas and style, 2.5 marks. For class 11th, I guess, because CBSE has not yet declared, so I guess that for class 11th, your content will go for 3 marks and expression for 5 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling, and coherence and relevance of idea and style, 2 marks. So criteria is going to be remain the same. The only change will be in marks. Now comes the word limit. Dear children, for class 12, the word limit is 150 to 200 words. For class 11th, it may be 125 to 175 words. Now, I was just talking about the format of report writing. So, report writing is not only the format is headline and byline. Headline and byline is very important. Byline means name of the reporter. Plus, date and place if it is newspaper report. Opening paragraph. Okay. Then details in next 2 or 3 paragraphs and the concluding statement or in a short paragraph. So this all is the format for report writing. Now dear, here comes some of the points to remember. Number one, you have to be brief, to the point and very, very systematic. Okay. Then only you will get marks for coherence. Report an event in order in which things happened. Okay, so you should not mix the order of happening. Then you have to give a bold heading, name of the reporter, date of report in case of in case of newspaper report. Then you have to write the report in 3 to 4 short paragraphs. Okay, like this you can divide. In paragraph 1, give the brief introduction of the event or accident, whatever happened, whatever the report is about. Then paragraph 2 and 3 will be about the incident. Then you have to explain all these WH family questions, like what, how, when, where, any special happening in 2 and 3. And in the fourth, you have to give the concluding remarks regarding action taken or required. Okay. Point 5 especially mentions that school magazine reports, date and place are not need to be written, but in newspaper reports, date and place is compulsory. Yes, you have to put your report in a box. Like the short composition, you have to put your report in a box and you have to follow word limit. Now, those points were in journal to take care of while writing report. Now, the points we are going to discuss to take care of when you are actually writing a report. It is related to the your language. Okay, mainly the language. So, number one, you have to be factual because report writing is a factual writing item. Okay, facts based on facts. You have not to add any extra information which is not needed. Unnecessarily, you have not to put anything in it. Very, very important. You have to be, you have to use past tense. Okay, this is very, very important. You have to be in indirect speech. Passive voice. Why we use passive voice? To hide the doer. Okay, this is the specialty of report writing. And you have to use the third person. R is missing, don't worry. Third person. You have not to use pronouns like I, my, and you. So take care of that. These pronouns are not to be used. You have to be always in third person. Okay. So here, sorry, I just feel like correcting it. Now let's go. You have to be very much in the third person. This is very, very important. Then you have not to impose personal opinions. Your personal opinions should not be written. Why? Because it is a factual writing. And you have to give, don't give your conclusion. You have to conclude, yes, because you are writing the report. So you have to be very objective in writing the conclusions. Very, very important. You have to adopt 5 WH formula and in the same sequence. What is important? This WH formula in the same sequence. If you remember, things will be very easy. Like who, did what, when, where, how, and why. So you have to remember these WH, 5 WH plus the sequence, the order. It should be in the same sequence. So it will be of a great help to you while writing report. Dear children, the questions which we get in exams are generally based on accidents and the function. We are supposed to write the reports on accidents or function. So you have to keep the following points in your head. These are the value points. Like for example, if it is for accident, so you have to keep in head when and where that when and where it happened, the accident, vehicles involved, ghastly scene at the spot, crowd gathered at the place, number of persons dead and injured, rescue and relief work, the police was informed or not, or when the police was informed, whether injuries and wounded were hospitalized, compensation given by authorities, because sometime after the accident the government announces the compensation. Okay, so it's about that. The probe on the event, how the investigation is going on, and the comment on the event. This is for the accident. The second type of reports are for functions, like your school sports annual function, your school annual day. Okay, so remember who organized it, when and where was it organized, inauguration of program, decoration of the hall or the place wherever the venue it was organized, arrival of the chief guest, welcoming and the lightening of the lamp, chief guest message, list of programs, vote of thanks, refreshment served, and comments. So these are, dear children, the value points for the reports for accidents and reports for functions. Dear children, here is an example of newspaper report. But before I go through this report, let me mention the name of Mrs. Vilma B. Kumar, who is PGT English, I think, in KV Vikaspuri. So all these samples which I am going to show you here are actually prepared by her, not by me. Okay, so that's why it's worth mentioning her name, and every slide wherever I have taken the example of hers which she has shared, her name will be there. Okay, so courtesy Mrs. Vilma B. Kumar, PGT English. So dear children, you're seeing here a newspaper report fully solved. But yes, no title is here. So you have to give a title and the byline, your own name, because you will be noting down this newspaper report. Okay. So place, because it is a newspaper report, so place and date. Then first is the little bit of introduction, like more than 10,000 people were feared to have perished in the cyclone that ravaged Chennai, even as the threat of an epidemic looms large. The worst affected areas have been Jagat Singhpur, Kendra Parapara, and the Paradeep. The government has started intensive relief operation on a war footing by carrying out sorties, airdropping food, and other requisite materials. However, a lot remains to be done as about 1.5 crore people are still without any food. Another matter of grave concern is the looting of vehicles and passengers of essential commodities by anti-social elements. For the third consecutive day, many cities remained without electricity and potable water. The Chennai airport also remained inoperative as the ATC had been badly damaged. Informed sources said here that serious differences were brewing within the ruling party over the government's failure to provide immediate relief. Rescue operations have to be undertaken on a massive scale if the situation is to return to normal. Beautiful example. Dear children, you must be noticing that the tense, here it is are used, the present tense is used because of the general statement. Otherwise, everywhere you will find the, like here, past tense is used. Okay, when it is a general information, the present tense is used here. Okay, second, number two is that you know where you will see I, you, and we, or it's any other form. So it is totally an objective piece of writing. Dear children, this recording will be available all the time to you. So next time you just view this recording again and note down all these all these examples, because they are going to be of a great help to you. Let's move to the next example. So now it here is a partly solved with hints. Again, let's say Vilma B. Kumar, Mrs. Vilma B. Kumar. So again, here is a newspaper report, and the question is also here. Like, you are Vishali Kelkar, Vikram Kelkar of Shri Ram School, Bangalore. Your school has recently conducted a benefit show in aid of the flood affected people of Andhra Pradesh. As cultural secretary of the Students' Council of your school, write a brief report in not more than 125 words on this activity of the school for publication in the Hindu. So here the title. So see here, we are using simple present tense, okay, and here you are using past participle. Flood affected Chennai. Okay, and written by Vishali Kelkar. Bangalore, the place and date, and after that, and see the format of date also. This is also important because dates are to be written either in this format, and I think here, or in this format. Okay, so here, comma is not needed. Fine. So either in this format or in this format. So these are the only two formats for writing dates, not other than this in English. Now here's a partly solved for example for you, and here are hints also for you to use. Okay, so there's no use if I read this example. You just pause this video next time and write down and solve this example. Next is again a partly solved examples with hints. The question is, you are Varsha Desai, a reporter with the Indian Express. You witnessed a fire accident in a crowded market in Delhi. Write a report to be published in the newspaper in one detail. Because it is a newspaper, date and place, by and title, and again paraban. Beginning is there, 2, 3, 4, and yes. Okay. Courtesy, Mrs. Vilma B. Kumar. And here are the hints for you to use. What to use in first para, what to use in second, third, and fourth. So here are unsolved. One more example. You are Aditya Verma, a reporter with the Hindu, write a report about 7 people were electrocuted to death in a tragic incident. So you have to write the report for publication. So hints are here. You may use these. Okay. So one more example, but now comes your example for magazines. So we are done with the fully solved or partly solved or unsolved examples of reports for newspaper. Now here comes the reports for magazine. So here is an example of partly solved. So here's a question. Write a report to be published in your school magazine in 125 words on how you celebrated the Independence Day in the school. You are Sumita Butts of class 12th Modern School, Ludhiana. So here you see the example. Again, this is a courtesy of Mrs. Vilma B. Kumar, PGT English. So here are the hints. So here is the title and here is by, and there is no date and place because this is for magazine. In magazine, we need not to give the date and place. And yes, the well organized paragraphs with hints. You are supposed to attempt it. Okay. One more example, partly solved. Question is, you are Nivedita, head girl of Rosary Convent School, Bangalore. Your school hosted a social science exhibition. Write a report for publication in your school magazine. So again, this is Vilma B. Kumar's courtesy. So here is table title you are supposed to give, then the name with designation because designation is there. So you have to give the designation and it may go down below Nivedita, head girl in brackets. So you may write this like this. It may be written like this below it. So fine, ready? So the name and by the post, and then the all the important lines. And next, magazine report with hints. Example is there for the hints. So uh, you may pause this video and note down this question and note down the hints, and please do attempt this question too. Yes, so here is one more report about a competition which is going to be in your school during literary fest. All these examples I am using just to make you understand how to write a report in a wonderful manner and also get full marks. So here you see the name of the event, background of the event, activities, outcomes of the event. In this way, it has been divided, and the questions are also given. Not only singing competition, any other report also you may write based on these inputs. Okay. So based on this input, the same report is written in this way. Okay. So you may also do it. And yes, here are some more practice questions for you. So here are notes and the questions for you for practice. Some more questions for you to practice. And thank you. So this was all about report writing. There is not much to discuss about. Dear children, I wish to take letter writing also with you today, but because we are already very late because of the problems in the browser, it was not allowing me to go online, to go live. So I'm sorry about it. On Wednesday, I will teach you how to write letter, which is very important for both the classes, class 11th as well as for class 12th. So till Wednesday, I ask for your